Welcome back, gardeners. In this video, we're exploring the traditional method of growing romaine lettuce directly in the ground. Let's dive into the essentials for preparing your bed and ensuring healthy growth. Start by selecting a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Work in some organic compost to enrich the soil, improving its structure and providing essential nutrients for your romaine lettuce. Proper spacing is key to healthy growth. Space your romaine lettuce plants about 10 to 12 inches apart. This gives each plant enough room to grow and prevents overcrowding, which can lead to diseases and poor airflow. Plant your seeds or starter plants at the correct depth, about 1/4 inch for seeds and just deep enough to cover the root ball for starter plants. Water gently and keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the germination period. By following these simple steps, you'll set your romaine lettuce up for success in the garden. Stay tuned for more growing methods and tips in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!